Hello, welcome to my channel Home Health Totke. Today in this video I will tell you what are the benefits of eating boiled eggs. Before starting the video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates. Eggs may have received a bad rap in the past, but research is beginning to show just how good they are for you. The American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found no evidence between people who eat eggs and heart attack. However, the Harvard School of Public Health still recommends no more than 3 eggs each week to avoid other health risks. You can eat your eggs in many ways, but boiling is a simple way to create a healthy snack that can be taken on the go. Boiled eggs are also easy to pack in kids' lunch boxes or can be stored away in the refrigerator for later snacking. Benefits of boiled eggs for the eyes, hairs, and nails. Health diaries suggest that eggs are especially beneficial to the eyes. Eating one daily may prevent macular degeneration because eggs contain nutrient lutein and zeaxanthin. These nutrients are found in eggs more than other food sources. Consuming egg may also lower the risk of cataracts. Eggs also contain a high sulfur content and are a good source of vitamin D, along with other vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. This helps grow healthy hair and nails. For the brain, eggs may be good for brain function since they contain choline. Choline is a nutrient that regulates the brain, nervous system, and cardiovascular health. It helps maintain the structure of brain cell membranes, which helps relay message from the brain to nerves and muscles. It also helps pregnant women with faster brain development and prevents birth defects. For weight management, eggs are a quality source of protein and are known to be the highest source of all food sources. Protein helps give your body energy and makes you feel full longer. Eggs are also low in saturated fat and can be considered a lean protein as they contain only 70 calories each. Lean protein are a vital component to weight management when accompanied by fresh vegetables and whole grain. Eggs may also help build muscle strength and prevent muscle loss. I hope this video will help you a lot. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon for latest update. Thanks for watching.